So hi there. So I wanted to talk about this. This is a neat little soldering iron toolkit that literally has a wireless soldering iron in it. It has a whole bunch of accessories that go with it, a little bit of solder, and a sponge. So let's take a look at it and see how well she works. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. So this is just an end piece to it. I'm guessing it is a way to store it so that you don't have to worry about the tip getting warm. And here is the tip. It is a screw-on tip, just like that. And again, this would go over top of it so that you can store it. That's kind of nice. I like that. And then, of course, it charges via USB-C. And it comes with a little bit of solder. So go ahead and take some of that out here. Very soft, decent type of solder. Obviously a rosin flux core solder. And it comes with a sponge. And this would be, I'm guessing, a little bit of, so you can fold this up and that way you can hold it like that. And then you could actually probably put your sponge underneath here to hold it while you're doing it so you can wipe off whenever you do that. Let me go get that wet and I'll be right back. All right, so I got that nice and wet so that you can get your thing going there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the instructions because I'm unclear of exactly how it works, so I will make sure I know how it works. Turn on the soldering iron in 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I pressed it 5 times, blinked. 1, 2, 3, and that is automatic mode, so it's doing things. Automatic mode is entered by pressing 3 times. You can adjust the heating mode accordingly using habits. Interesting. So let's see, did it get hot enough yet? No, it's still, oh no, there it goes. So it is hot enough, and you can see. Now let's go ahead and tin it, and it definitely did get hot enough. I do have a fan blowing over top here, so that might affect the speed in which this thing can work. But let's see if I can get this thing to solder. This is a pretty hefty wire. I don't know exactly what it is, but let's go ahead and tin it again, make sure we get all the crap off of it. All right, let's see if we can get this thing to wick. Not sure what the colors are meaning, but she's doing something. And it's definitely hot enough to melt the solder, but having a little bit of problems getting it to, and it might be the type of copper I have here. I have a feeling this copper is going to be a pain. And it doesn't seem to like it wants to wick very well, but now I can just put this on there and let that chill. All right, I have some solder flux here from another kit of mine. See if we can't get this thing able to actually pull some solder onto this thing. I'm gonna try to, I did the 3-button thing again. I think if you just hold it down, it goes into just heating. Let me turn my fan off. I think it's causing too much issues. All right, try this again. I do believe it is heating right now. I did the tap 1, 2, 3, and I see it smoking. I have some of my own soldering iron, my own solder here. I'll try that too. Ooh, I just don't think this wire likes to be soldered because it's got plenty of heat. It's staying molten. The wire just doesn't want to tin. Oh, no, I spoke too soon. Looks like it did. Let me go ahead and twist it. Give it a little bit of flux. Wire's being unruly. Careful, it's hot. This stuff just does not want to take a tin, but she's definitely working. So very cool. So if I just click it once, it turns off. If I click it a bunch of times, it turns on. There you go. And then if you click it 1, 2, 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it goes into auto mode. If you just hold down on it, it goes into manual mode, like that. And then just click it once to turn it off. And then just set it there to chill. And then once you're done with it, just go ahead and put it in the protective sleeve. And now that's nice and protected. Nobody's gonna get hurt. And then you just go ahead and charge it. There's a little light down there at the end that you can see down there. And it says that will light up green. That indicates it's fully charged. So I guess there is a usage video for it. This is the 8-15W voltage for this. So kind of cool. Very neat little idea for a portable speed soldering iron. So if you're looking for something like this that's portable, this might be right up your alley. It's very simple, very no frills. You just turn it on and go. So check it out if you're looking for something like this.